Okay, so I'm going to share with you one of the most powerful iPhone automations and shortcuts you've seen when you lose your iPhone, when it gets stolen. You really have to see this. This can be an absolute lifesaver. So when, for example, I lose my iPhone 17 Pro Max here and I have another iPhone, I can send the message !lost iPhone to this iPhone 17 Pro Max, to this contact, and look what happens. There's a shortcut going to run. You can see I will receive the exact location. I blurred this out because it's my location. And at the same time, bomb. Photo is taken from the front and the back camera, and if you've noticed, also the iPhone turned off. So let's say somebody got access to your iPhone because you forgot to unlock it, it got stolen out of your hand, then they cannot access it anymore. They don't have your face for Face ID, and yeah, they will need your passcode in order to access your iPhone then. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can get this automation as well on your iPhone so you're safe when your iPhone gets stolen. First, we need to go to the Shortcuts app on the original iPhone. So let's head over to Shortcuts. There we go. And inside of Shortcuts, you need to go to the bottom here and click on Automation. Okay, I'm gonna delete the original one I made so you can follow along step by step. I know shortcuts and automations can be a little bit intimidating in the beginning, but bear with me. If you follow the steps one by one, you'll sure to understand everything, and then you can even add more things that you want. There are people that want to add maybe airplane mode or other features, then you can do that as well if you just know the basis of how this works. So we're gonna delete this shortcut and click on the plus here and then select a message. Here you also have the possibility to go into many directions. What you can do is you can select a specific sender that will have to send you that specific message in order to activate the whole shortcut, the whole automation. So for me, we just keep it simple. You can put this to any sender, and then the message is actually important. This is the one you should remember. This should be something not you're going to send like often. This should be really kind of an emergency protocol message. So in my case, I choose for ! and then lost iPhone, just like that. Click done. In here, then select run immediately. We don't need to see a confirmation. That's not what we want. It needs to run immediately, and we hit next, just like that. Okay, so now we're gonna create different shortcuts that will run within the automation when the automation is activated. So in here, we need to create a new shortcut. So let's click on that. And the first thing we want to retrieve is the current location of the stolen iPhone or the lost iPhone. So we search for a location, and then it's the get current location option that we need. So we click on that, hit the small arrow here, and then in here you can really change the precision as well. Nearest 100 meters, 10 meters, or the best. We select best in here. And then the next thing we want is to have photos of both the back and the front camera. And in order to do that, we need to search for the take a photo option here. As you can see, it's gonna take one photo with the back camera right now, but that's not what we want. We click on this little arrow here and click on show camera preview, toggle this off, and that's enough for the back photo. And we also want this for the front photo. So what we need to do is, and again, search for take a photo, and again click on the little camera arrow here, toggle off show camera preview, and now we don't want it from the back, but we want it from the front. That looks really nice and clean already. I hope you can follow along so far. I want to add to this a list of actions before we send the location and we do the whole message is to go to the lock screen. So search for lock screen. And lastly, the most important thing is that we need to send all this information to the other iPhone, the person that is sending the message. Going to search for send a message. There we go. And then in that message, we want to send the current location and all these photos. What you can do here, you can click on the message part and then select a variable. We're gonna select the get current location one. That's maybe one of the most important ones. Another one is add the back photo. That's the back photo. Again, select variable for the last one, and that is the front photo. And then lastly, you need to send all this information to specific recipients. These can be more people. And we know you're a good friend, husband, wife, brother, sister. You can choose that. For the sake of this video, we're going to keep it simple and only get all that information on this iPhone. So AppleDsign it is. There we go. And now we should be good to go. Let's give it a try. Let's demonstrate this. So we have our iPhone, we lost it, it got stolen. Gonna send the emergency message, which is !lost iPhone. There we go, you can see it, boom, it's running in here. It's off. We get the location right there. I'm gonna blur this out for safety and security reasons. Boom, we got our photo, and also the iPhone went off, the screen turned off, and we got the second image. I mean, how cool is this actually? Make sure to share this with your friends and family. I think many people will find this extremely helpful. This is how powerful automations and shortcuts are if you combine them. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and like this video to stay updated and see more of these tips, tricks, and iPhone and Apple hacks. See you in the next one, and thanks for being here. Peace.